Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best ice cream machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Yonanas ice cream machine. If you can slice and freeze fruit, you can use Yonanas in just a few minutes and make wholesome delicious vegan and dairy-free desserts with no added fats, sugars or additives. You can create your own or use the 36 included recipes. All removable parts are top-rack dishwasher safe and BPA-free. At number 5 we have Longo ice cream machine. The automatic snap-back dispenser mechanism helps with easy control of dispensing and product waste. This Dupont-grade POM beater assembly is both durable and easy to maintain. This cylinder frozen can be avoided to maximum through unique technology. This patented air tubes offer 30% overrun and producing more refined taste. LT130 will alert when it is running under low mixture condition. At number 4 we have Cuisinart ice cream machine. The professional quality soft ice cream yogurt sorbet and sherbet is now available right at home, with the Cuisinart Mix It and Soft Serve ice cream maker. Not only does it make everyone's favorites but with 3 built-in condiment dispensers it makes them extra delicious. You can just a pull of a tap send sprinkles, chips and other mix-ins down the chute to mix right into frozen desserts as cones or bowls are filled. The operation is fully automatic and simply pour in the ingredients and turn the dial. At number 3 we have Vive ice cream machine. The ice cream machines are made of high quality and stable electrical elements with advanced production technology. It is easy, safe and reliable to operate. This product's equipped with compressor of world-famous brand that ensures stable and reliable refrigerating system, large production and low consumption. The drip tray is designed to prevent water or ice cream from dripping on the ground, thus ensuring the neatness of working environment. Besides, its detachable function facilitates the cleaning of leavings. Time, temperature, hardness and quantity of ice cream can be displayed on the screen for direct observation. You can freely modulate according to different tastes. Besides, the one-click cleaning enables quick and automatic machine cleaning. At number 2 we have Cuisinart ice cream machine. The new patent-pending mixing paddle makes frozen treats in 20 minutes or less. This double-insulated freezer bowl eliminates the need for ice. The large-capacity mixing bowl lets you make up to 1/2 quarts of your favorite smooth and creamy frozen treats. The freezer bowl must be completely frozen before you begin your recipe. Before freezing, wash and dry the bowl. The length of time needed to reach the frozen state depends on how cold your freezer is. It is recommended that you place the freezer bowl in the back of your freezer where it is the coldest. At number 1 we have Vive ice cream machine. It is made of high quality and durable stainless steel body. The hardness of the ice cream can be adjusted. Its LED display can show the making number, hardness, temperature, convenient to operate. Its fluorine-free high-performance compressor has quickly cooling speed and good stability. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best ice cream machines for your need.